Hello, students and parents. I'm going to show you how to access your child's online class assignments and how to submit their work online. First, open up your internet browser. Type in wyandanch.k12.ny.us. In the top right corner, find G Suite. G Suite will prompt you to log in with your username and your password. Next, click on the waffle on the top right corner. Select Classroom. Here you will find materials and assignments. Select your course. Classwork. Writing Task 1. View the assignment. Add Create to submit your work. Docs. Go ahead and complete your work. Click Turn In to submit. Turn In to submit. That's it. It's not hard. You can do this. Click the tab on the left corner to see your classes again. You can do this with all of your classes.